Interior is one-stop solution for all your interior needs, may it be residential, commercial, or retail needs. Hi, I'm Rajesh Bhosle, architect and entrepreneur, founder of Interior. The main reason why we conceived this idea roundabout in 2002 is because we needed to fill in the gap between the unskilled laborers, unprofessional people, and common people who required interiors. This we have developed a process by which we can help you efficiently. So this was my why. Now I am going how will we do that. We have developed this process which is in two stages. The first stage of the process is pre-stage and other is execution stage. In this pre-stage we have 3 steps, and after this pre-stage we go into execution step that are in 5 stages. Friends, I would like to tell you or remind you that our sole goal or our purpose is to serve you, make your dream house into reality. So executing the interiors is a teamwork. There is always a trust issue with client, with interiors, the people who do interior. But remember, for us, we believe our vision or our main core value is to give clarity to client, to be truthful to client. So we give clarity in design, budget, estimates, and each and every step of requirements of client, we keep on giving them the clarity. So let us remember that it is a teamwork to complete your dream home. The first stage of interior is to give budget to you. In this stage, what we do is we take layout plan from you, and our estimate designer designs estimate for you in 3 flavors. One is budgeted, optimum, and luxurious. I'll explain these 3 flavors and different types of these estimates in a different video altogether. After getting these 3 stage estimates with preliminary layout from you, we go to the second stage. Friends, I would like to again remind you that it's a teamwork. So we want commitment from your side as well as commitment from our side. So your commitment here was to provide us with requirements and floor layout. In the second stage, we try to meet. We try to meet in our office, maybe on site, or in online platforms such as Zoom or Google Meet. We try to customize your budget. We try to understand your interiors better in this second stage. We now give you the final estimate and final design style which you have selected or which you have liked. In this stage, between stage 1 and stage 2, we exchange the reference images and inspirational images. As I said, it is both ways. Even we share few images and we expect from you also to share few images. After this collaboration, in second stage, we now move towards the third stage. We move towards the designing stage. Here, we now understand you better. We understand your design style. We understand your budget. So we get approval for our finishes, such as laminates, fabrics, colors. We introduce you to new materials available in market. We take you to showrooms, or we provide brochures at your step door in your home so that you can look into the brochures, mood board, everything at your luxuria of your own house where you are staying right now. Then we conceive the idea, we conceptualize the idea, we provide with an interior designer and a site supervisor. We conceive the entire house for you and we make 3D for you. This is a customized 3D work, customized design for only your vision, your house vision, and the way you want the interior to be in your, mind you, in your stipulated budget. We do not miss on timelines. After we finalize the design, we give you the timeline for execution. Generally it's 45 days without civil work. With civil work it is 60-65 days. We now go into our fourth stage, that is execution stage. Till this stage there were pre-stages. Now we get into the execution part of interiors. Here we request client as well as ourselves to stop to think about the design phase, because we have freezed your design in 3D, we have freezed your design in 2D, and now we get into the execution stage. Here we do procurement of material. We initially take measurements. In execution first stage, we give you clarity of working drawing. That is, we make working drawing for our factories. We share that with you. Now we explain these working drawings on site in 1:1 scale on walls and floor, showing you the circulation on the floor so that you have clarity of functional aspect of your interiors. After this, we start execution on site. Few things are to be done on site only, such as false ceiling, electrification, coloring, even few paneling works, safety door, changing of laminates, these all happen on site. Work starts in site as well as in our factory backup. In our workshop, with latest equipments, latest imported machines such as edge bending machines, we have panel saws, we have profile cutter machines. With that, we make your finished goods in our workshop as well. Then in next stage, that is after 25 to 30% completion, we have a site review. We tell you what all completed work is. Our weekly report is sent to you, and with that stage we explain, we get into other section of design, that is color passing and electrification, the light fixture passing. After that we complete the next stage of execution, that would be the sixth stage with 50% of work done. And then in phase, after our 50% work done on site and in our factory, we go to the milestone of selecting the soft furniture, that is your curtains and wallpaper. We have tie-ups with curtains vendors and wallpaper vendors, so we can provide you the curtain and wallpaper according to your taste and in very competitive rates. So if you wish to take them as well, we'll show you then and we'll try and execute that as well. Next is our seventh stage of execution with 75% work complete. In that, mind you, our kitchen gets complete. We send our kitchen and small storages such as shoe rack and other storage units on site, and we assemble other finished goods on site which come from factory. In 8th stage, we complete it with painting, sanitization and cleaning, and we hand over your keys on time. So this is the way we complete your interiors in all 9 stages. Thank you.